Hey guys, this is for all you HP laptop users. Have you ever had a mouse that was broken or just didn't work and you needed to change the mouse pad? Come on over here, I'll show you how to do it in less than 10 minutes. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve from Internet City Computers. We're in Detroit. This is my channel, Fix It Right. Today I'm going to show you how to fix it right. We're going to change your mouse pad out in this HP laptop. So come on. Okay, I took the screws out of the cover. Now we're going to take off the back cover, put that aside. Now we're going to pull the battery out because the battery's covering the mouse pad. So let's grab our screwdriver. We're going to take this battery out and disconnect it. Okay, so then we're going to disconnect this mouse pad cable just so we don't break it. Touchpad, mouse pad. Okay, so there's that. So now here you got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Here is the mouse pad. It's got 3 screws up here. Those are those. This is just a retainer clip to hold it in. So we're going to take all of these out. We'll start with the ones we know have to come out. And maybe the rest of them don't. Okay, this is your speaker wire. Let's push up on this mouse pad, see what happens. Oh, look at that. We don't even have to take out that bracket. All we got to do is slip it out, slip this one back in. All right, let's make sure that it's going to push and touch okay. Perfect. Okay, so here's our ribbon cable. Slip that in there. Now sometimes the cables don't reach. You might have to disconnect them from the other end. Okay, so that's it. Just change the mouse pad. The reason why the guy didn't want this one anymore, it worked, but the plastic coating's peeling off. I don't know if you can see it or not, probably not. And it's bugging him, so he wanted a new mouse pad. So that's that. Okay, so I hope you liked that video, maybe got something out of it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Ring that bell so you can get the next video that's going to show you how to save some money. Until then, adios.